This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin, cleanse, apply a light non-comedogenic moisturizer, and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes so the base is even. Once done, evaluate each scar's hue. Red needs green neutralization, brown needs peach/orange. You're not painting the whole face. Dot the corrector only on scars with a small brush or fingertip. Make sure to blend the edges softly so the product disappears into surrounding skin. You're creating a subtle neutral canvas for foundation. Once you've placed the corrector, build coverage in thin layers. Apply one light pass, then add a second only where needed so you avoid cakiness. Next, set the corrector lightly with a small swipe of translucent powder or a skin-toned concealer to prevent migration during the day. Make sure to blend outward from the scar with a damp sponge or small brush so transition lines vanish. As you blend, match the surrounding foundation tone immediately so the neutralized spot reads natural. You finish by applying foundation or concealer thinly over the set corrector. Tap to press product in rather than rubbing, which can lift what you've placed. If small areas still peek through, use a micro brush with a smidge of corrector or concealer for pinpoint fixes, then re-tap foundation. Make sure to evaluate in natural light before sealing with a light mist. If layers become patchy, stop and remove with an oil-based cleanser, then reapply in thinner layers to avoid buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.